Sheesh. Back at it. Look what I scooped.
Huh?
Look what I scooped.
Where'd you scoop?
You put this like on the back of your car.
Oh shit.
Sheesh.
That shit's scary. Alright, I'm about to take the handbrake off.
Oh!
Oh!
No way! Dude, no way, bro! Wait, why do you want it in front? Oh, good thing that shit on film, bro. There's no way. I mean, it's not that bad, though. Dude. Oh, this shit's cracked. What? No, I'm kidding. Imagine. You still want 1,000 for it? Bro fucked up the Nissan Jack, bro. So I'm on the side of the road, man. Get on thumbnail.
Huh?
There's no shot, dude. Shout out to Flores for the toolkit. Show them how to use it. Ooh, we got the kit.
Look at this shit.
I don't really see this on many cars, but it's the piston. In the fronts, we didn't have to do it, but the rears, I guess. You gotta like compress it like that and just twist it, I guess. You gotta line the fucking things, bro.
I'm trying to do.
It's gonna be a good little track car though, before all that. Get some coilovers on it, some race tires. Ooh wee, that'd be kinda dope. Vacation I did not do, then jack it up. So, just helping out, man. I'm just helping out. Ish. Closer. Alright, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to fucking basically expand this. I haven't used these before. I haven't seen these on a car, but apparently he can't do it, so we're gonna try to do it for him. Not fitting right. Honestly, don't know what I'm doing, bro. But I don't think this thing even fits. But it doesn't fit with this piece. I'll tighten this shit all the way up. All the way up, Nick. Oh. Try to tighten as hard as we can. God damn. This bitch is hard. Apparently I'm gonna open this thing up. Sheesh. There. They didn't know that. Oh, I guess we'll sit and watch. Jeez, I'm on a mess. We got it. Ooh, okay. But we're gonna track this thing soon. Isn't that right? Look at the sky. Jeez. You gonna track it or what?
Yeah, probably.
Jeez, man, I don't like those European jacks, man. They scary. Look at that thing. It's moving. It's leaning, bro.
Yeah, I know it's leaning, but I got the handbrake on. That's why I told you to put the handbrake on.
Yeah, I know, but damn. It's scary. Use the other jack too. Put the other jack on there too. That shit's leaning. Holy dude, that shit's scary, bro.
You're telling me how anything I feel. This is my damn car.
It's gonna fall 2.0, man.
Huh?
It's gonna fall 2.0. See? I put that tire on. I think it's high enough. I think it's high enough.
I don't think it is.
Yeah, I think it is. No cap. Oh my god. Just try to put the tire on. Golly, man. Fuck.
You think it'll fit?
Yeah, that shit's higher than this one was. Kick the jack. I'll put this one on too, bro. That shit's scary.
No, that shit's not high enough. That shit's not high enough.
I try to jack it up. Jack it up and then I'll jack this one up as you're jacking that one up.
Just barely.
You put the. I go. I'm jacking this one up too. You got both.
This is scary.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Do you get jack stands? Are your jack stands?
Yeah, go get them. That's way safer if we just use the jack stands, bro. Oh my god.
There's that bit somewhere under
It's way safer, yeah. Just put it underneath the car. I just put it right here. Is it underneath something?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Is it high enough? It should be.
It needs to go up a little bit higher, I think.
No, that should be good.
No, it's not.
We're going on. We used the Z jack. Wins again.
That shit failed.
Nah, bro. How the fuck? How's it supposed to stop your car? You take off that, it's gonna roll. Bro, this homie. Oh my god, bro. Sheesh. And the Z with it. Ooh. Damn. I don't think I showed y'all in here. I got the plenum in here. All that shit, man. You can't even see it. Jeez. Put the Volvo jack back. I don't know where that shit is. We're gonna clean up now. I might have to bleed his brakes, I'm not gonna lie. That's gonna suck. Wait, make sure your brakes are bled before you drive, though. Make sure they're bled, though. They might have... Bro, ran over the brick, bro. Sounds like it's better, though. Car. Ooh. Floor's watching. Probably not to the end, though. Fake ass nigga. Jeez, thanks for watching. Subscribe. 30,000 likes. No, I didn't.
30,000 likes and I'll drop the other side.
Gee, we'll drop the whole mini on the ground.